Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero on a controller. First, ensure your controller is properly connected to your gaming system, whether it's a console or a personal computer. Once connected, launch the Guitar Hero game. Make sure your game software is up to date for the best experience. Then, simply navigate to the main menu to get ready to rock out. It's a straightforward process to begin your musical journey. Now, let's talk about your hands. You'll notice 5 distinct colored fret buttons on your controller's neck. Position your left hand so each finger can comfortably reach one of these buttons. Your right hand will be responsible for the strum bar, located near the body of the controller. This setup allows for quick and accurate note playing, making sure you hit every beat with precision and style. Timing is absolutely key in Guitar Hero. You need to strum the bar precisely when the notes on screen reach the bottom activation line. For faster sequences, try alternating your strums, moving the bar both up and down. Remember to hold down the correct fret button with your left hand before you strum with your right. This coordination is crucial for hitting those perfect notes and building your score. To really boost your score, master star power. When your star power meter is full, you can activate it by tilting your controller upwards or pressing a designated button. This special ability doubles your score for a short period, so use it strategically during high-scoring sections. The best way to improve is consistent practice. Aim for at least 15 minutes daily to sharpen your reflexes and climb the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.